or Sergey could be searching for better energy deals. Find out if you could save today.
Storage. We'd all love more of it, but finding the room in your room isn't always easy. At Hammond's, we turn wasted space into storage space. We make the most of every inch, see things in clever ways and beautiful ways, so everything has its place. Every shirt, shoe, earring, tie and dazzling necklace. Sale now on with 25% off. See our website for a free brochure or to book a free design visit. Hammond's, in order to live better.
Lorraine, sponsored by Nestle Cheerios.
Wonderful opportunity it would be for her to walk the shoreline with you.
6% of her customers normally coming from England. There are still spaces. She hopes the bookings will now come.
I think people have been literally locked into their homes and they just want to get out. And they just want the freedom of walking and just breathing in the fresh air and see the sea.
For now, it's only Welsh visitors who can come and enjoy this scenery.
Who's determined to walk again following her bone cancer.
And Sue, who